In this video, I will show you how to change language on Uber Eats. So I will show you step by step how to do this. Let's start. Open Uber Eats first, and after opening the app Uber Eats, it will take you to the home page. So if you click here on account, you will not find any option or settings option that allow you or make you can change your language. So what you should do in this situation, just go to the settings of your mobile phone, and you have to go to language, where you can change language. So yeah, here click on general management, and you can find here language. And for example, if you are French, change your language phone to France or French, and then automatically your Uber Eats app, it will directly change the language of the app. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.